So today what we're going to do is just help some clients of mine and people at CY Digital and in general online just to set up an email account within your Gmail, because I use this as the hub now and many people do. They have their Gmail account locked into various different applications that Gmail offer, and it's really useful to just have a kind of Outlook type of environment where you can just go and check your emails, and you can answer emails from various different companies you might be involved in, particularly for freelancers who don't necessarily just work for one person. They have their fingers in a lot of pies. So what we're going to do is set up Lisa at cydigital.com. It's an email address for somebody. So we go into the Gmail account that we've got, we go into settings on the right hand side, which is the cog. Go into settings here, and we'll basically go to accounts and import. As you can see, I've already got quite a few set up, and we're just going to add another email address that you own. Very simple. It will bring a pop-up box, and I'm just going to rename this initial one to Lisa, and then we're going to add the email address there, Lisa at cydigitalmarketing.com. And the next step is going to just give you a chance to set up this with SMTP, or in my particular case, because I prefer to run it this way, I just use Mail. I'm using Bluehost and DreamHost and United Hosting and various other different people as service providers. And it may change depending on what you use for hosting and what your server's based on, etc., etc., and what your email options are with your hosting environment. Excuse me. So basically, we're just set this up, port 25, I've changed SMTP to Mail, and then we've added the email address and the password. So we add account now. Now that will send me a notification email. So you do need to set up a forwarding email. Otherwise, this isn't set up in Gmail, you see, so you'd have to log in with Squirrel Mail, etc., etc. So I've actually set up a forwarder, and this will eventually come through. It can take some time, to be honest. But because I'm running everything from Gmail, I'm basically looking to just ensure that I've got all this now here. I don't want to be opening Squirrel Mail up, etc. So I've got this now, and that's my code. I'm just going to copy that and just verify this. So now I've got Lisa set up, and if I go to my settings again, I'll be able to see in accounts and import that I've got Lisa somewhere here. There we go. Now you can do lots of things here. In general, you can change the your signature, what you reply from, etc., etc., etc. I'm not going to go into that for this particular tutorial. I just wanted to show you some key areas. So set up your email address within your host, put a forwarder to your Gmail account, which just makes this verification process easier, and then go into settings, accounts and import, add an email address. Make sure you change SMTP to Mail if you're doing it the way I do it, and to get your port to 25, then put your email address in and your password, verify it, and then you've got a workable email address, which will be Lisa, which is down here now. So I could send as Lisa, and that will come into me if I wanted to. And as you'll see here, just a quick test. It will come to myself, and it's Lisa. Let's see what it is. Obviously, you can set all that up how you want, but it's just a quick tutorial for clients now to be able to set that up for themselves, so they can use their name at their company easily from in Gmail. Thank you very much.